Hello, welcome to a new series of videos that I thought would be a good idea. So I have here ChatGPT-4. So this is the best and newest version version of ChatGPT-4. So I told ChatGPT-4, I asked, can you talk to me only using a vocabulary of the first 400 most commonly used words in English, so that we can understand most of what ChatGPT-4 tells us. So the answer, sure, I can do that. Let's talk using simple words. Great. How can I help you today? Then I told ChatGPT, explain to me how wolves and ravens behave in the wild and any relationship they might have. Behave. How do they behave? This just means, what do they do? Everything that an animal or a person does is how they behave. So ChatGPT has a really cool answer. This is something that I saw on YouTube. And so yeah, let's learn. Wolves and ravens. Oh, also a wolf. Okay, wolf. Wolves is more than one. Raven or ravens, more than one raven. Ravens. And I think that it will be okay. Yeah, I do think it will be okay to use these images. I should not say I hope, but whatever, because I am searching under public domain images on Bing. So should be good. Okay. Right, so wolves and ravens in the wild, so out in nature with no humans, or no humans really is what wild means, often act in ways that help each other. Wolves are big, strong animals that hunt in groups. They look for other animals to eat. Ravens are big black birds that can fly, right? Big black bird. Big for a bird. They are very smart and can find things easily from the sky, flying in the sky. Ravens sometimes follow wolves. So one raven will see, or more than one raven will see a wolf and go in the same place that the wolf goes. So the ravens watch, where are the wolves going? Let's follow. Let's go right behind them. So wolf here, ravens here, following, right? This is because when wolves hunt and eat, so they hunt, they look for food, they try to catch food and eat, they leave some parts of the animal behind. So arm, head, okay? They don't eat all of an animal. So wolves hunting. Let's see another picture. Pictures are nice. Okay, well, you get the idea. Ooh, what is this? Okay, well, wow, that is cool. Cool pictures, okay? So, the ravens get food because of the wolves. So the ravens following the wolf gets food. Ravens and wolves eating together? Are there pictures of that? Not in the public domain thing. Free to modify, this seems the same. Okay. A bear, a wolf, and ravens, I think, also. Wolves, ravens. Very cool. Yeah, wolf, ravens. So, continuing, also, ravens can make loud noises. Ba, ba. Well, they don't do this. They just ba, ba. I don't know what noise a raven makes, but something like that. Ba, ba, ba. Hey, there's food. Basically, when they see an animal that wolves might want to hunt. So maybe the wolf wants to hunt this animal, maybe, and the ravens can tell the wolf where is the animal so that the wolf can hunt and kill that animal. So yeah, they can make noise. This can help wolves find the animal. In this way, ravens can help wolves hunt, right? In this way, so by doing this, ravens can help wolves hunt, because now the wolf and the wolves, they know about, they know where to find a good animal to hunt. So, wolves and ravens often, so commonly, are seen together in the wild. They don't work together like friends, but their actions can help each other. So they both get help from what the other one does. The raven helps the wolf by calling out, ba, 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 food, animal, ba. That is how the raven helps the wolf. The wolf helps the raven by opening an animal. So getting past the skin of an animal, which actually, let's not find a photo of that. but yeah. Okay, no, that's, nope, sorry. Yeah, this is a good example of how different wild animals can affect each other's lives. So ChatGPT said, they don't work together like friends. But I saw on YouTube that sometimes the ravens and the wolves, they do kind of act like friends. So let's ask about what I heard or saw on YouTube. Do the ravens ever play with the wolves or do something to get their attention? To get their attention. So the raven touches the wolf, and the wolf goes, hey, what was that? So it says, yes, ravens sometimes play with wolves or do things to get their attention. In the wild, ravens are known for being smart and playful. So playing, that's wolves playing. Let's see wolves playing, maybe. Yeah, not really any good pictures here, but these young wolves. Okay, playing. Let's just look up playing. Okay, playing. These people are playing something, a game. Playing some game. Okay. In the wild, yeah, sorry, we just read that. They sometimes interact with wolves in ways that look like playing. Okay, let's make sure that ChatGPT is still only using the first 400 words, or trying to use only the first 400 words. Okay. Thank you, ChatGPT. Ravens like to eat this. This is what we saw before. Sorry, let's fix this. Talk about how the two species play together using the first 400 most commonly used words in English. Let's copy this part so that I can tell ChatGPT again very easily. Just Control V. Wolves and ravens can play together in simple ways. Ravens, the smart black birds, right, sometimes pick up sticks. They sometimes pick up sticks. Great. Or small things and drop them near wolves. So drop. That's dropping a cup. I'm dropping a cup. I dropped the cup. So the ravens pick up sticks, drop them near wolves. This looks like they are trying to play. The ravens fly around the wolves and make noise. Ba, 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 ba. Almost like they are talking to the wolves. Wolves, big, strong, might get curious. What is curious? And check out what the ravens are doing. This means, hey, what are you doing? I want to see. I want to check out what you are doing. Let's go. Let's go find out. Let's go learn what are the ravens doing. They might sniff the sticks or look at the ravens. This isn't play, like play. Oops, we're using Google, my bad. Okay, let's copy, paste. Oh, now I have to copy paste this again. Play, again, this is to play. Great, play. Looks like fun. So this isn't play like we think of play. We think, obviously, this, or, yeah, this, play. But it's a way for these two different animals to interact in a fun way. That should say to interact in a fun way. Interesting. It's special because it shows how two very different animals in the wild can be curious about each other and act in friendly ways, to do things that friends do, not just for food or survival. Okay, so I hope that this video is interesting, and if you have any ideas of what I should type next, let me know in a comment. Okay, type a comment. All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.